So we'll be doing the uh, practice 101 practice eye makeup 101 by me. We'll be recreating the number 6, which looks like this. I hope I can. So hello everyone, it's me again Vhiele and welcome back to my channel. So ayun, happy new year everyone. I hope we or all of us will have a prosperous and healthy 2021. So in today's video we are going to do a soft glam makeup for the year 2021. So I hope you'll like I hope you will like the look that we'll be doing today. And without further ado, let's start. Anyways, before anything else, I just would like to greet or shout out those who watched my previous videos or to those who commented on it. Let's start. So yes, shout out to PNM Mini TV. Shout out to Seville Simple Journey, Blessed Hands Olven, Igorot Warriors or Imusirk Ort, Vanessa TV, Sean, Team Cad TV, Team Makasait, Cranny A, Zara Princess, Jingle GPE, Pineapple TV, Joyce Pack, Eventures, Majens B, Mark Pacunla, and third for Milieza. So shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my previous video. I hope you'll still be watching this, and let's get going to the look that we're going to do today or tonight. So anyways, if you're new to this channel, my name is Vhiele and I'm from the Philippines. If you like to be with me on this journey, please hit the subscribe button and please click the bell button so that you'll be notified on my next uploads. So let's get started. So first, we'll be priming using this Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Okay, so I'll be putting it on my forehead, nose, cheeks, and all over the face. Okay, I'll just be using my bare hands. And then spread it evenly. So pardon my uneven skin color. I just had breakout in the past few months. I think you saw it on my previous vlogs, right? So after that is we'll be proceeding directly to the eyes so that it won't be ruined when we, for example, there are fallouts, and yeah. let's proceed to the eyes. So for the brows, we'll be using this faux color. There. We'll be using this faux color dark chocolate eyebrow pomade. I think this is a pomade. See? So we'll be using an angled brush here with a spoolie. Angled brush and a spoolie. There. So first is we'll be brushing our eyebrows to the desired placement. Wow. Okay. If you're satisfied with your left brows. Now let's proceed to the right brows. We'll proceed to the left brows. Next is we'll be fixing our brows using this Fit Me concealer by Maybelline Steel. We'll be carving our brows. At the same time, this will be our eye primer. Okay. Now let's proceed on the other brows. In this look, we'll be using this Autumn Eyeshadow by Detail Makeover. So, this one. Okay, so let's proceed. So we'll be doing the practice eye makeup 101 by me. We'll be recreating the number 6, which looks like this. I hope I can recreate that again. I started with a transition color, which is this color orange here, or any transition color you like. For me, I'll be using this orange, light orange or light brown may do. Next, we'll be going to a darker shade, which is let's intensify that because later on we'll be doing a cut crease. In this makeup, we are going to do half cut crease, only half. So, where's my small mirror? Here. So, only half, so there. Okay, that's good. So without setting it, we'll be putting glitters or shiny eyeshadow, which is, today we'll be using this rye. This is like goldy shade. Okay, again, do not set the concealer. Okay, do not set the concealer. So I hope this will do the job. There. Perfect. Okay, that's the first part. Next is on this part, we'll be using this Octavia, which is a dark brown shimmer shadow. Don't know if I'm saying it right now. Okay, using this brush from Focalure, I'll just stamp it there and then circular motion. Okay, so there are some fallouts. I'll just remove them. And again, using a clean brush, blend out the edges, okay? So, I think may kulang pa rin. That's it, and then let's put some shimmer. So it will become midnight black char. And then on the brow bone, let's put some highlighter. There. So I'll just finish the other side and I'll be back. So now we're back, guys, and now let's proceed to the foundation, which is this Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation from Maybelline on the shade 220, which is Natural Beige. So next is we'll be contouring using this Careline Contour Stick. May shade ba ito? None. So actually, I don't know how to contour, so let's just play with this. Whoop. Whoop. Okay. So next is we'll be putting some blush using this Detail Makeover blush on the shade Bloom. So let's just put a little upwards. Okay. Yeah. Just a little to put some life on our dull face. Okay, next will be highlighter, which I will get here on this palette, Temptation palette by Still Maybelline. I'll just use my hands. See? Okay, and then the bridge of the nose. And then on the tip of the nose. And then on the lips and on the forehead. Wait, I'll use brush on the forehead. Highlighter is live. Okay. Now that we are nearly done, let's proceed to the lips. So on the lips, we'll be using this lip liner from Detail Makeover. I forgot what's the shade of this. Let's see. It's on the shade Kevin. Okay. Next is we'll be filling it with Girl Crush from Sunny's Face. There. And to lock in this look, we'll be using Shower Makeup Mist and Set. Okay, let's just shake it and then that's it. I'll just finish my hairdo and I'll be back. So that's it for our soft glam for this 2020. Soft glam look for this 2020. I hope you like it, guys. For any suggestions, you can comment down below for any content suggestions. We're open here. So again, thank you so much for staying with me for this very long video, and I hope you like this simple look, and I hope to see you soon. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please click the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my next uploads. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.